Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Goodbudget manages monthly expenses. Goodbudget is a digital budgeting application built on the time-tested envelope method. Instead of keeping all your money in one general bank account and guessing how much you have left, Goodbudget helps you divide your income into specific digital categories called envelopes. When managing your monthly expenses, the process starts right at the beginning of your budget period, usually the first of the month. You take your incoming funds and allocate specific amounts into your designated envelopes, such as rent, groceries, utilities, and entertainment. These envelope balances dictate your spending limits for the month rather than your overall bank balance. As you spend money throughout the month, you track your transactions by logging them directly into the app. Every time a purchase is made, you deduct it from the corresponding envelope. This gives you a real-time view of how much money you have left in each specific category. If an envelope runs out of money, you cannot safely spend more in that category unless you consciously choose to move funds over from another envelope. For regular monthly bills and irregular expenses like annual subscriptions or car insurance, Goodbudget allows you to set up specific envelopes to save money gradually over time. This prevents unexpected costs from disrupting your monthly cash flow. Furthermore, the platform supports household budgeting by allowing you and a partner or family member to sync your accounts across multiple devices. When one person logs an expense, the other sees the update instantly, reducing miscommunication and keeping everyone aligned on financial goals. When transitioning into a new month, Goodbudget gives you flexible options for handling leftover funds. You can choose to roll over any remaining balance into the next month to build up your savings, or perform a complete reset to start fresh depending on your financial strategy. By combining digital envelope allocation, manual or automatic transaction tracking, and household syncing, Goodbudget provides a structured framework to keep your monthly spending completely under control. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.